Most websites get traffic. Very few actually qualify that traffic properly. Visitors come in, ask questions, maybe show interest, and then disappear. Meanwhile, sales teams waste time chasing people who were never serious to begin with. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build an AI-powered lead qualifier using Astra that doesn't just chat. It filters, scores, and routes real prospects directly into your CRM automatically. Let's build it step by step. Step 1. Creating the lead qualifier agent. Inside the dashboard, you'll see multiple AI teammates available. Instead of setting up a generic support assistant, we're choosing the option focused specifically on qualifying leads. Once selected, the system asks where this agent should operate. Since we're deploying it on a website, we choose the web channel. Next, it asks for your website URL. This is critical because the AI analyzes your site content to understand your services, messaging, and positioning before it ever interacts with a visitor. After adding the website link and confirming, the agent workspace loads. Step 2. Reviewing the agent's core logic. Now, we're inside the main configuration area. On the right side, you'll see a structured instruction framework already generated. Instead of starting from scratch, the platform defines the agent's role, its primary responsibilities, its conversation objectives, boundaries, and tone. This instruction block acts as the agent's brain. It tells the AI how to qualify prospects, what information to collect, how to highlight services, and how to guide serious visitors toward next steps. Step 3. Optimizing with Astro Vibe. Instead of manually rewriting or fine-tuning everything, we activate Astro Vibe. This feature analyzes the current logic and improves it automatically. It strengthens the qualification structure, enhances follow-up questions, and prepares the agent for automation workflows. Once the refinement completes, you'll notice something important. The agent is no longer just configured to respond, it's configured to take action. Step 4. Enabling smart automation and CRM actions. Now the instructions include real automation steps. The agent can create or update contacts inside your CRM, assign leads to team members, log qualified prospects into a Google Sheet, send notifications for high-intent visitors, route serious prospects toward booking a demo. This is where the system shifts from being a chatbot to becoming a sales assistant. If you select one of the CRM actions, you'll be prompted to connect your workspace, for example, HubSpot. You authorize access once, and from that moment on, qualified leads flow directly into your pipeline automatically. After reviewing the logic, approve the updated instructions. Now, the automation structure is locked in. Step 5. Installing the agent on your website. Next, we move to installation. You'll see multiple deployment options depending on your platform. For this walkthrough, we're using manual installation. You can choose how the agent appears, either centered at the bottom of your site or as a compact widget in the corner. Once selected, the system generates a JavaScript snippet. Copy that snippet and paste it into your website just before the closing body tag. If you're using WordPress, you can add it through a header/footer plugin or theme settings. You can also deploy it using Google Tag Manager. After saving changes, refresh your website. Step 6. Testing it live. Now, when we open the website, the AI widget appears instantly. Click to open it. The agent greets visitors naturally and suggests helpful starting questions based on the content it analyzed earlier. If someone asks about services, the AI responds intelligently. Then, it begins qualification, asking about project scope, budget range, timeline, and other relevant details. As responses come in, the system scores the lead in real time. A high-intent prospect? Routed accordingly. A qualified decision maker? Sent directly into CRM. A casual visitor? Nurtured without overwhelming your sales team. Everything runs automatically in the background. final thoughts. That's the complete workflow. We selected the lead-focused agent, connected the website, optimized its intelligence using Astro Vibe, activated CRM automations, approved the logic, installed the script, and tested it live. Now, instead of manually filtering inquiries, your website actively qualifies, scores, and routes prospects 24/7. If you found this tutorial helpful, support the channel. And if you implement this setup on your own site, I'd love to hear how it performs for you. See you in the next tutorial.